Good afternoon, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist here. It's time for a severe weather update, and we're looking at possibility of tornado, at least a funnel cloud that had formed in the Delaware area earlier, where there was a tornado warning. In fact, I'm sure the Weather Service will be looking into this, but we're at this point. There is a lot of information saying that there was a funnel cloud in the area of Delaware, so in Wilmington, Delaware area, and there is damage, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. As more information is passed along, we'll pass it along to you here at liveweatherblogs.com. Currently, an MCS is out for a possibility of a watch, and that would include New Jersey and Pennsylvania, New York area. Damaging winds and an isolated tornado possibility here in the area, tri-state area. So potential is increasing once again for severe weather here in the Philadelphia metro. The current watch is here in Indiana and Ohio, and a tornado watch here in the upslope that I was talking about yesterday, where the threat was going to be greater for tornadoes here in Kansas, Nebraska, and parts of Wyoming and Colorado. See the convective outlook is the upslope area where there's a watch. The area in the eastern United States, which includes New York City, Philly, Wilmington, up into the parts of the Hudson Valley, and also down here in parts of things. We had that. Now, why do we have severe weather outbreak? Threat yesterday and none today. We had rain this morning here in the Roanoke Valley, and now we have a very strong west wind. What that done is dry out the atmosphere, and it made thunderstorm potential pretty much irrelevant in this area. So basically, the whole area that wasn't a threat yesterday for today, or earlier, wasn't a threat, dried out based on the winds and the fact that we had precipitation this morning. So the threat is gone for severe weather here in the Roanoke Valley. But potential is there south from Arkansas into parts of Tennessee, and also here in the where we need to really watch is this upslope area and also the area on the eastern United States coast. Look at the latest radar. You can see more thunderstorms have popped out in the central parts of Pennsylvania, and actually going to get in a better and conducive environment for severe weather. So these storms may go severe as they go towards Philadelphia and in southern New Jersey, and you can see that one line that had popped some storm. A tornado warning has moved along, and we have another storm out here. This is pretty rogue cell. Let's see if this actually becomes something to be watched. It's more of a multi-cell or single cell storm versus the line. So stuff we have to watch out for, especially when you talk about possible tornadoes. Even in the environment a little further north is better. But in its motion, you can see progression of this as it moves to the east. Areas currently affected are Carlisle, Harrisburg, Lebanon, and it'll move towards Lancaster, Reading, Westchester, Norristown, Philly, Mount Holly, and New Brunswick currently getting some storms as it occurs right now. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest weather information, and we'll give you all the information that needs to be passed along. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist Dean Davison, have a great afternoon.